What's up guys, welcome to the fourth video in Java for Beginner programming series. In this video we will be learning about if statements. If statements are conditional statements which allows computer to make decisions. So let's make a very simple program where we make a variable called fruit, we give it a value, and then we have to check for that variable. Okay, so hopefully by now you know how to declare variables and assign data to them, but if you don't, let's go over them one more time. So first what you write is the type of variable that you are creating. If you're creating if you want your variable to hold words and text, then you set it equal to string, and then goes beside it the name of the variable. In this case I'll just write fruit, and I'll give it a value of, let's say, apple. Okay, and now our program requires us to check for that fruit. So there's not only one fruit in the world, there are many fruits, so we need to check for, let's say, 3 fruits. So I need to say if fruit double equal, let's say, apple, then do something. Then let's just say system.out.println apples are good for health. Okay, now we need to check, let's say, for more fruits. We can now do else if fruit double equals orange. We can do system.out.println oranges are okay. And let's just say if fruit does not equal, now let's just say if fruit variable does not equal to apple or it does not equal to orange, by default you want to write something like system.out.println I don't know about this fruit. So let's run this program and see what it gives us. So this program gives us apples are good for health. Why does it do that? Well, first of all, we are making a variable called fruit and we're giving it a value of apple. And then we are checking if fruit equals apple, then do this. Well, it does equal apple. So therefore, it's going to print out apples are good for health. Now let's change the apple value to orange. And let's see what it outputs. It outputs oranges are okay. That is because first it goes through the first block and it says if fruit equals to apple, then do this. Well, fruit does not equal to apple, right? It equals to orange. So it comes down here. It says if fruit equals to orange, yes it does, so print out this. Now let's change the data of fruit to something like grapes, and let's see what happens. It says I don't know about this fruit, and that is because fruit is not equal to apple, so it fails this condition. It fails this condition because it's not equal to orange, and we're not checking for grapes, so we're just saying by default just say this. Okay, so that's a very simple checks that you can do with the if statements, and you only use else if you want to do multiple checks. Okay, and by default, and else is used in case nothing here matches, so you can have a default output. So that is it for this video, and next video we will be using this technique to make a very simple number guessing game in Java. So hope you like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.